Creating a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces can completely transform how you experience your home. In Pasadena, where homeowners often enjoy warm weather and outdoor living, patio doors are one of the most effective ways to enhance both functionality and style. More than just an entryway, patio doors can redefine your space, making your home feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. One of the most noticeable benefits of patio doors is how they open up your home. Traditional doors can feel limiting, but patio doors, especially sliding or French styles, create a wide, unobstructed transition to your outdoor area. Whether you have a backyard, patio, or deck, this expanded access makes it easier to move between spaces and encourages more time spent outdoors. Natural light is another major advantage. Patio doors typically feature large glass panels that allow sunlight to pour into your home. This added light can make any room feel more open and airy, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. In Pasadena, where sunny days are common, this feature helps you take full advantage of the natural brightness, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere inside. Patio doors also enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. From the outside, they add a modern, stylish look that boosts curb appeal. From the inside, they act as a focal point, framing your outdoor view like a piece of artwork. Whether you're looking out at a landscaped yard or a cozy patio setup, the visual connection makes your space feel more cohesive and thoughtfully designed. Functionality plays a big role in indoor-outdoor living, and patio doors deliver in this area as well. Sliding patio doors are ideal for saving space since they don't swing open, making them perfect for tighter areas. French patio doors, on the other hand, offer a more traditional look and can create a grand, elegant entrance to your outdoor space. With a variety of styles available, you can choose an option that fits both your layout and personal taste. Ventilation is another key benefit. Patio doors can be opened wide to let in fresh air, helping to improve airflow throughout your home. This is especially valuable during mild weather in Pasadena, when you can enjoy natural breezes instead of relying solely on air conditioning. Better ventilation not only improves comfort but also contributes to a healthier indoor environment. For homeowners who enjoy entertaining, patio doors make hosting gatherings much easier. They create a natural flow between indoor and outdoor areas, allowing guests to move freely and comfortably. Whether you're hosting a small family dinner or a larger get-together, the added accessibility and openness can make your home feel more accommodating and enjoyable. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced glass and insulation features that help maintain indoor temperatures. This means you can enjoy the benefits of large glass panels without worrying about excessive heat gain or energy loss. Properly installed patio doors help keep your home comfortable year-round while also supporting energy savings. Security is often a concern when it comes to large glass doors, but today's patio doors are built with durable materials and advanced locking systems. This ensures that you can enjoy the beauty and convenience of your doors without compromising on safety. Ultimately, patio doors are more than just a design upgrade, they're a lifestyle improvement. They encourage you to make the most of your outdoor space, bring in natural light, and create a more open, connected home environment. For homeowners in Pasadena looking to enhance indoor-outdoor living, patio doors offer a perfect balance of style, comfort, and practicality. With the right choice and professional installation, they can transform the way you live in and enjoy your home every day.